In life, we often encounter moments that leave us with a broken heart. Today, we embark on a journey of healing and renewal, exploring the profound emotions tied to heartbreak and the steps to mend a shattered soul. Welcome to Healing Hearts, where we delve into the depths of emotional recovery. Whether you're experiencing heartbreak or supporting someone who is, this video is a guide to help you navigate the path towards healing. 1. Understanding heartbreak. Heartbreak is a universal experience that touches us all. It's crucial to acknowledge and understand the pain before moving forward. Share your feelings, express your emotions, and embrace vulnerability. Healing begins with self-awareness. 2. Embracing grief. Grief is a natural part of the healing process. Give yourself permission to mourn the loss, whether it's a relationship, a dream, or a chapter of your life. Allow the tears to flow, as they cleanse the wounds of the heart. 3. Self-compassion. During times of heartbreak, be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion and self-care. Nurture your body, mind, and soul. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift and support your journey towards healing. 4. Rediscovering yourself. As you mend, rediscover the person you are beneath the pain. Reconnect with your passions, interests, and dreams. Use this time as an opportunity for personal growth and rediscovery. 5. Building a support system. You don't have to face heartbreak alone. Build a strong support system of friends, family, or professionals who can offer comfort, understanding, and guidance. Sharing your burden lightens the load. 6. Setting boundaries. Establishing boundaries is crucial in the healing process. Know when to step back, protect your heart, and focus on your well-being. This is a time for self-preservation and growth. As we conclude our journey, remember that healing is a unique and personal process. Embrace the pain, but don't let it define you. Through understanding, self-compassion, and resilience, you can mend your broken heart and emerge stronger than before. Thank you for joining us on this journey of healing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and well-being. Together, we can inspire hope and resilience.